Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made Madeleines. The ingredients are listed below. Begin by putting eggs in a bowl and then mix it until it's well incorporated, followed by sugar and mix it again. Then add salt, mix it together, and then sift all-purpose flour, followed by baking powder. Mix it until it's all blended well. And after that, add melted butter and mix it all again. As soon as the mixture thickened up, add the orange and lemon rind and whisk it again for the last time. Now prepare a cling wrap and cover the batter and refrigerate it for at least 10 minutes until the batter has set. As soon as it has set, remove it from the refrigerator and prepare the Madeleine molds. Make sure to put butter grease or baking spray in the molds before putting the batter. Use an ice cream scoop or you may use 2 spoons to fill the shells. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 180 degrees before baking the Madeleines. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes until the dome-shaped top is poking, just like this. Wait for it to cool off and then you may serve it. Enjoy!